Oddie's loving his new hairdo, and he's loving to chase birds. I think he likes it a lot better shade because he was really hot. Lita, what are you doing trying to attack Oddie? But he loves to chase birds. Look at it. It looks like they all got away. Let's hide them under there. This one. There's another one up in the sky. There's the cows being noisy. There's a bird right there. See, he goes. There he goes. Lita wanted to help. So that's Oddie's other hobby. It's his hobby other than jumping in the back of the truck. But that's how Oddie's doing. He's loving his new shave because he was really hot before. And now he's not hot anymore.